คนเริ่มหาที่จอดรถ
Alright,
แล้วเห็น
so
ปะ
we just finished eating. This is my first vlog, so I'm kind of nervous, but right now we're heading to the beach, and I'm just gonna show you guys some B-roll shots, and then after we're gonna head to the outlet. Alright guys, now we're gonna go head to the Lincoln City outlet. Hopefully they have like some good deals there. Probably gonna go check the Nike store and different clothing stores, but my main goal is just to find some new clothes for school. Okay guys, so now we're at the Lincoln City outlets. I'm just gonna show some, maybe if I find some fire shoes or any good deals, I'll show it on B-roll and just go visit a couple of shops. Alright guys, I got my stuff from the outlet. I'll be showing you guys what I got when I go home, but here's my stuff and I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, now I'm back home from the beach. Here are the stuff that I bought from the outlet. First, I got some stuff from American Eagle. Don't really think you can see the most shade right here at American Eagle. All I got from American Eagle were two pairs of skinny jeans. So I got a black distressed pair right here, and then I also bought a blue distressed pair right here, nice and comfortable. And then I also went to the Nike store and I bought a shoe and some shorts. This is the shoe right here, Nike React Element 55, and this is the color of them. Another cop that I made were on shorts. These are some Nike shorts that go to your knees. Sick. And my last pop was from Hot Topic, and I bought a mug from Stranger Things. If you guys have seen Stranger Things, this is Can't Nowhere, the shirt that Winston is wearing. And I also bought a t-shirt which says Scoops Ahoy, and then Ahoy on the back, everything on the back. So yeah, that's what I bought from the outlet, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.